Welcome to Fast Track Training and Capability Division. We deliver customized campus trainings, corporate skills development, technical training, soft skills and behavioral trainings, on-the-job training, and government training programs. We are an ISO 9001 certified division of Fast Track Corporate Solutions Private Limited and committed for growing people and growing organizations. Fast Track Training and Capability Division is dedicated to enhancing performance and capability at every level of the workforce. We deliver high-impact learning experiences through expert trainers, industry practitioners, and customized capability building programs for businesses and academic institutions across India, APAC, and GCC regions. From campus to corporate, we transform skill gaps into competitive strengths for long-term growth. Our training philosophy is built on 4 core pillars: people, passion, performance, and growth. We focus on unlocking individual potential, fostering passion for learning, improving performance, and enabling sustainable personal and organizational growth. Our training strength built on 3 pillars. First, industry-aligned curriculum designed by experts to bridge academic learning and corporate expectations. Second, certified trainers and coaches with real-world multi-industry experience. Third, global delivery capabilities through online, offline, and hybrid formats across India, APAC, and GCC regions. We offer comprehensive training and capability building services delivered through online, virtual, on-site, off-site, and outdoor learning formats. Our offerings include campus training programs, technical training, corporate skills development, soft skills and behavioral training, and on-the-job training. Our campus training programs prepare students for a successful transition from campus to the corporate world. We partner with engineering, management, and vocational institutions across India and abroad to deliver future-ready skills aligned with industry and corporate requirements. Programs focus on corporate readiness, leadership, communication, interview skills, professional behavior, and emotional intelligence. Our technical skill training programs are industry-aligned and designed to upskill the workforce in critical technologies. Delivered by certified experts, these programs cover software development, data science and analytics, cloud computing, DevOps and automation, cybersecurity, and ERP and CRM systems. Our corporate skills programs equip professionals with essential skills required to succeed in fast-paced business environments. Core programs include business communication, leadership and management development, critical thinking, project management, sales and negotiation skills, change management, and productivity improvement. Our soft skills and behavioral training programs empower individuals with interpersonal and behavioral competencies for workplace excellence. Training areas include leadership skills, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, collaboration, communication, time management, conflict resolution, workplace etiquette, diversity and inclusion, sales development, change management, and building a winning culture. Our on-the-job training programs integrate real-time learning into day-to-day work. We offer customized OJT programs for freshers and lateral hires, mentorship-based skill enhancement, continuous performance tracking, and integration into live work processes for faster, measurable learning impact. Fast Track delivers training across continents with local understanding and global expertise. We have a strong pan-India presence along with delivery capabilities across the APAC region and GCC countries, supporting organizations with consistent and scalable training solutions. We serve diverse industries with specialized training expertise. Our experience spans manufacturing, automotive components, electric vehicles, aerospace and defense, automation and robotics, consumer electronics and appliances, electrical and electronic components, BFSI, healthcare, FMCG, retail, technology, education, infrastructure, media, pharmaceuticals, and emerging sectors, ensuring relevant and practical learning outcomes. Fast Track Corporate Solutions offers a complete suite of corporate services beyond training. Our other divisions include management consulting, HR recruitment, capital solutions, branding and digital solutions, global sourcing, outsourcing, business intelligence, and interim management, making us a comprehensive corporate solutions partner. Prepared to build capabilities that drive sustainable growth? Connect with Fast Track Training and Capability Building Division to align people, performance, and strategy. Together, we enable organizations to create agile, high-performing talent ecosystems.